How to grow your business online. So welcome back to another video with your boy Shane Mikna, and here by the Business Media, what we do is we help small and medium-sized businesses with showing them exactly how to launch, grow and scale their business using our online strategies. So in today's video, I would just like to share 3 tips of how what you could implement and what you could actually start doing if you are looking to grow and scale your business today. So in step 1, and most importantly, any business, whether you are old or a new business, it requires you to focus on customers and sales, because without any sales you have no business, because sales is the livelihood of any business, because a business can't go on in terms of maintaining its costs and overheads if it's not generating sales, which, as mentioned, essentially is bringing in new customers. And how we go about doing that is we are using Facebook and Instagram strategies that looks at driving product awareness as well as brand awareness to new customers. So these are customers that have never heard about your business or has never heard about your product. So this can work if you are selling a physical product or if you are offering or rendering a service. You are able to use that method in order to get your business and product in front of new customers. And going on to step number 2. So step number 2 is building a database of customers. So this is where you look at getting your first customer, or this is looking at getting your 100th customer. Again, depending on which stage and phase your business is currently in. So how you go about doing that is building a list of that ideal customer. So these can be family and friends, which might require your service or might be looking to buy your product, or this is people within your network. So people that you have met, whether they are colleagues, business associates, or just friends or acquaintances that you have met across the way. And then the third and final aspect of building that customer base is then looking and understanding exactly what is your ideal customer and what is that ideal customer persona looking like. So a customer persona is essentially a fictional character of what your customer would look like and be in real life. What are their age, what are their genders, what are their past spending habits, how do they shop, where do they shop, and those are just some of the questions that you could answer in terms of building your customer persona. And with going through that kind of process, you should at this stage have a short list of customers, whether it's ranging from your ideal 10 customers, or if it is a lengthy list of ideal 100 customers. And what you should then do in that event is to start making contact with that customer database, telling them about your business and your service, and also how it would benefit them, whether it has features or functions, or essentially how it could solve a problem that they are currently facing or struggling with at the moment. And that is just in terms of getting your product again and your brand out there. And the third and final tip that I want to leave in this video is to essentially focus on customer service. So this is your focus and communication with any customer that has transacted or has done business with you in the past, whether it be the past 3 months, 6 months, or even 24 months for that matter. But if any customer that has done business with you or even has inquired for any form of business or quotes or product from your business, I think at this stage it's very important that you communicate with those customers. So again, how this could be done is using, as they are past customers, you should have the email addresses. So being able to send out email campaigns or email marketing messages to those customers. Whether you have customers on WhatsApp, whether it's just updating your WhatsApp status and story, or if it is just sending a friendly message to your customers on WhatsApp, just reminding them about your product and service, or promotional special that you might be running at that stage and point. And I think not to extend this video for too long, I think those are the three things that I would focus on, as being a small business, or being a new business, or if you've been, in business and you're looking to further grow, and scale your business. So those are things that I would highly recommend for your business to actually try and do. But if you have any other comments or questions that you would like for me to answer about, in terms of how you can go about in terms of growing your business, all you can do is leave your questions down below in the comments, and I'll be happily able to address them for you. But I think again, from today's video, that is it. Just three ways that you can go about in order to grow and scale your business today. And as always, let's learn, work, and grow together. Thanks. All right.